Today we're going to be unboxing a 90s retro and two titans of basketball sneakers. So let's go! What's up YouTube? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. As mentioned, we're going to be doing a triple unboxing, and apart from that, I'm going to be giving my initial thoughts and opinions on these three sneakers. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. All you need to do is watch every single one of our videos from October 1st to October 31st, and the rest of the mechanics will be on the description box. Let's start with the first one. So here we have a 90s retro. As you can see, you have an OG Nike orange box. Just a plain Nike box where you can see all the Nike branding all over. So these sneakers were actually retro last year, and it's called the Air Max Penny. These sneakers were originally released in 1995, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, let's move on to opening this box. So here it is. So inside you just have your plain tissue paper. So here's the Nike Air Max Pennies. So these sneakers, as I mentioned, was originally released in 1995, if not mistaken. And these sneakers are one of my favorite of all time. I like how it looks. I like how it feels when I wear them. And I like the player that wore these, which is Anthony Hardaway or Penny Hardaway. If some of you don't know Penny, Penny used to be a big superstar back in the mid-90s, especially when he and Shaq was teammates and playing for the Orlando Magics. Now, as you can see, these are not the Orlando Magic's colorway. The original sneakers was an Orlando Magic's colorway, but these are actually a Miami Heat colorway because towards the end of the career of Penny, he played for the Miami Heat. I like the combination of materials that they use on these sneakers. The suede material, the leather, the mesh. So overall, these are not only good basketball sneakers, and I think it's also good for casual wear or for lifestyle. Definitely, these sneakers are one of the best that Nike have made in terms of looks. And these are definitely one of my favorite sneakers of all time. Now moving on to the next sneakers that we're gonna be unboxing. These are you got it right, the Lebron 17s. So as you can see, it comes in a black box with the gold writing Lebron 17, and then there's a jet black printing on at the back. So I'm not really sure what are these, but it looks like a graffiti. So yeah, all around the sneakers, you can see here Lebron 17. Then here you have the swoosh. The back you have this tribal or graffiti like printing. And then over here you have the logo of LeBron over here, and then of course the details of the sneakers. Now the official colorway of these sneakers is black, white, eggplant, amarillo. So the eggplant is the purple and the amarillo is the yellow. And now it's time to open it. Here we go. Boom. So these are the Lebron 17s in the Lakers colorway. Initially, I didn't even plan on buying these sneakers, but when I saw them on display, I was like, it's very, very interesting. I like what they did on this knit posit. It looks really, really comfortable. And of course, it's a LeBron sneaker, so definitely the technology for these sneakers is top notch. And recently, I have something with reverse swooshes, so this is a plus for me. Plus this purple airbag. But one thing that I really like about these sneakers is the 3M material on the tongue. Actually, the whole tongue is in 3M. I like the detailing of these sneakers. And actually the colorway is not that bad. It's not too Lakers. It gives you a subtle hint of the Lakers colorway and it doesn't really scream. So that's what I like about these sneakers. The design over here looks like an artwork. So definitely for me, it's a good pickup. I was never really a fan of Lebron sneakers. The last Lebron sneakers that I bought was the Lebron 2s. I was also surprised why I bought these, but after I tried it on, it was a no-brainer. You know, when I look at it, I saw it, I was interested. I tried them on feet, and it really felt good. It's really comfortable. So yeah, I think it's a good buy for me. It's really dope. When I wore these sneakers with my pants, it looks good. So I think you can also wear this for casual, even though it's a high cut version, because it's not that warm inside since it's a knit material. So yeah, not only for basket, you can also wear it for lifestyle. So now let's move on to the last sneakers that we're gonna be unboxing, and it is the Jordan 34. So here is the box. So I like the box that they use on this. It's very unique box. It has texture on it. It feels like you're holding a basketball. There's a lot of dots on the front of the box and at the back of the box. I also like the detailing on the box itself. You have iridescent branding of the 34. You have this 3X and then 4. So around the box, on this side, you will see the details of the sneakers and a small Jumpman logo. On this side, you have this Morse code or code. I'm not really sure, but you can feel it. You can feel the texture of it. And over here, it's concave, so it's not your typical shoe box. So all you need to do is just take this out. So here it is. So here are the Jordan 34s in the Breads colorway. So ever since I saw the leaked photos of these sneakers last month, I really wanted to get them. I wanted to have them on my hand. This is a very different Jordan sneakers. It's not your typical heavy Jordan sneakers, because for most of you who wears Jordan sneakers are used to be heavy, and these are actually very light. If you compare it with the Concords, yeah, this is much lighter. I like the overall design of these sneakers. It looks very sleek, and I like the materials that they use on the upper. And as you all know, I like 3M hits, and it has 3M hits around the sneakers. And apart from that, they have iridescent or holographic hits on the sneakers as well. So I really can't wait to try it on the basketball court and test it out. These are also not bad for lifestyle wear or for casual wear. While I was wearing my pants, it looks good actually. And the thing is, since it has see-through mesh, it's not gonna be that warm wearing it. It's definitely breathable, and the light material that they use here makes it really comfortable. Overall, I like the design, I like the technology, and I like the details of these sneakers. So there you go. These are the 3 sneakers that we have unboxed today. I'll be doing a very detailed review on each of these sneakers, so watch out for it. Now let's talk about the pricing. So for these sneakers, actually I bought it through StockX, and these were kind of very affordable. I bought it for about $100, so it's very cheap. If I'm not mistaken, the retail price of these sneakers were at $160 or $180 US. Over here, the Lebron 17s, these are quite pricey. Here in the Philippines, the price of these sneakers is 9,895, so it's about 9,900 pesos, $200 US. But of course, with the technology and the materials that they have used for these sneakers, it's definitely worth it. Now, for the Jordan 34s, these are at 8,545 pesos, and definitely for the technology as well and how it looks, it's definitely worth it. Now for the sizing of these sneakers, over here on the pennies, it's actually a true to size. However, when I buy basketball sneakers, I wanted it to be at least half a size or a full size up, because I want to have some room when I play basketball. For the Lebrons, if you have narrow feet, half a size up is good enough. However, like for me, I got a size 11 because normally when I play basketball, as I mentioned, I want to have some room. And normally I wear thick socks. So when I tried it on, I felt like I need more allowance. So that's why I got a size 11. Now for the Jordans, I was kinda surprised on how it fits. Because normally for a Jordan sneakers, I'm normally true to size. Because all my Jordans are actually size 10. But for these sneakers, I got a size 11. Because when I wore the size 10, my feet were just on the tip of these sneakers. There's no room at all, and I was just wearing like very thin socks. So I was thinking if I'm gonna play on these, I'm probably gonna wear thick socks. Plus, I want some room when I play. So definitely a full size up for these sneakers. And when I wore the size 11s, it was just right for me. So that's why I got the size 11s. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our triple unboxing for today. Please watch out for the detailed review of each of these sneakers coming soon. Before we end this video, I just want to remind you all that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. All you need to do, watch this video or check out all the mechanics on the description box down below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.